I need the ratchet.
Oh shit, my bad.
The ratchets. I didn't.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Hey, whoa.
Oh shit.
My bad, babe.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy E-Tex or Angel coming in with a brand new video here today. In today's video, we're gonna be replacing my motor mounts on my Audi. And these are basically the motor mounts. So my other motor mounts, they got shot like a year ago, and I'm barely changing them. I just thought they were gonna be hard to do, but we're here now. So I'm pretty sure driver's side one, that one was shot first, although they say the passenger one wears out a lot faster, but I don't know. So we're gonna be replacing these today, and I'm gonna try to show y'all how to replace them. This is the Audi A4 B8.5, so just for y'all information. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so basically I put it on jacks. I already took off the wheel, and basically first step, take off the wheel, put it on jacks, boom. Second step is to basically take off this fender liner right here, the wheel fender liner, whatever you want to call it. And it's T25s, right? T25s is 1, 2, 3. It only looks like 3. Alright, y'all. So my homie Kevin pulled up. This is the bro right here, and my right hand man. You know, whenever I need help with my car, he's always here. So shout out to Kevin. So what are we doing now?
You're gonna get. Why are we getting rid of these? What do you mean? Are you sure these are supposed to come off?
Oh yeah. The bracket's gonna come off right here. Alright, YouTube. So basically, it's the next day. We didn't really get much done yesterday because, you know, we just had a one-on-one bro talk, and yeah. Damn, it's starting to rain. No way. But yeah. So basically, I got the what is it? The wheel liner out, the fender liner out, and basically I'm taking off this bolt right here and this bolt to get to this motor mount right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. The motor mount is basically right there. That's the black stuff right there. It's the motor mount. And you also gotta unscrew these 2 bolts right here. I forget what type of star this is, but it's I don't know what it says. It says it's the 10. It's like some 12.1. Damn. But it fits like right here perfectly right here. So you gotta take this cover off right here, and then these 2 bolts that I was saying earlier, right? These 2 bolts. I think this size is a 17. Hold on, let me get my these bolts, these 2 bolts right here, this one and this one. They're gonna be a size 16, my bad. So yeah, you're gonna take these 2 bolts off, and then I believe this bolt in here is gonna be, damn, I believe that bolt right there is gonna be at 18. I don't know if y'all can see. There's a bolt right here, and I'll update y'all once I take off the bolts. Damn, my arm is going sore. Bro, look how long these bolts are. It's ridiculous. Bro, look how long these are, bro. God damn. Now I got one more to go. Alright, so basically I already took off these 2 long bolts right here, both of those, and then I already took off both of these bolts right here, and now it's time to take this cover off. Hopefully y'all can see this cover right here. So I just got to raise up the engine a little bit more, and then hopefully there's enough clearance right here, and then just take this motor mount out right here. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Hopefully, but yeah, it looks like it's gonna be like a tight fit, cause there's hella shit right here. So I don't know. Wish me luck. So basically, I built a contraption trying to get that 18mm bolt from the actual motor mount. It is 18, right? Yeah, it's at 18. So far, haven't been able to take it out. But with this contraption that I made, I know I'm gonna be able to take it out. But this, mad tight. God damn. Watch this though, watch this. Times like this, I really wish I had an impact. But I don't got one, bro. So this is what we gotta make. Alright, YouTube, so basically, the homie Kevin pulled up again. He used his
After the
impact.
sick ass car meet yesterday.
Yeah, bro, we went to a little car meet, not on purpose. We just so happened. We passed by McDonald's and we parked, you know, we started grubbing. And out of nowhere, just
The McDonald's meet and greet?
yeah, bro. This shit was funny though. We just kept on laughing, bro. It was just the outcast. I think that's what they were called. But yeah, Kevin used his impact, and he's getting that bolt out right now. Boom.
Low key,
Yes,
look.
sir.
That.
All right, what's next though?
I don't know.
I'm gonna update y'all. All right, so we just took off another bracket.
So this bracket right here, it was chilling. It was up here, but this holds the motor mount on. So it's a 16mm socket to get off a nut, and it brings it down. And then you have in here the motor mount loose. So from there, you just gotta find a way to jimmy that bitch out, and you're chilling. So we'll be back when we get this hoe out. We got that hoe out. Oh,
Damn, what is it? Is it a boy or a girl? Ah, like that.
man.
All right, so let me see.
You had so much potential with that one. You chose to say that.
Let me see,
I'm
bro.
putting it back in.
D. All right, so hey, there was no
Please tell me you bought the right part.
harness, right? Like, did you unplug it from anything?
Please tell me you bought the right part. Bro, it's not right.
Hey, bro, why does that one not have
Let me
a?
see.
No, they're the same.
They're
But
the
just-
same, but
This one has a harness. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Catch y'all.
hey, you have.
Alright, we back. So
Let them know what predicament we in.
So basically, we got the other motor mount off on that right side, and so basically, give him a top view.
So that's the motor mount right here. Moves freely, but
We took it out.
this piece of wood
That's
right here,
holding up the engine.
it's in the way.
Is in the way.
So
Basically, I'm just gonna swap this piece out with the other piece. You know, swap it out. Hopefully the engine don't come crashing down, but hey, bro, YOLO. This brake, bro, I'll probably get like a SRT Jeep or something.
if not, then we're gonna need to take it to the dealer. Tow it to the dealer, better yet.
Oh, put that fuck. Yo, this shit's tight key.
I'm scared. I'm stepping back.
It can't come out through here?
No.
Puta madre.
That's what I was saying. If you have just a saw.
Looks like an unconnected. My moves. Fuck.
Hey, whoa, chill.
I know what I'm doing, bro.
All right. Those little plastic clips really got you, huh?
No, bro. Fuck my life.
But I wanted a foreign. I wanted an Audi.
Bullshit, bro.
Oh, ASAP. Give me that shit. Puta madre.
Ándale, Tilín. Where'd that shit go? Vamos, Tilín. No mames, this shit is like... Oh, shit. My bad, babe.
Not the easiest tuning frame.
It's getting kind of mad hot.
I'm scared.
Program time. Like that. Bro, I be fucking around too much, bro. Time to take a little break. After doing so much. Why'd you get bats?
Why did you get bats though? I'm curious.
Destroy Lonely. But
Who's that?
Opium.
What's that?
Some
Like the-
rapper, but
Some
he
mid
really said that shit though.
Some mid rapper. Nah.
Hey bro, I'll put you on.
I'm just kidding. Hey, no, but my question is like, what if he comes out as like a pedophile and you got that tatted? But like,
they're just bats, you know what I mean? It's like,
but when someone
aesthetic,
asks
you know?
you, they're gonna be like, "Damn, are those destroy lonely bats? Don't you know he's a pedophile?" Like, what would you respond to that?
I'd be like, no, not anymore. You know, they're just bats. Murciélagos. Why is it fucking connected to? God damn, mad dusty. Why the fuck is there a clip in here? That shit make no sense. Hold on. Bro, that shit is not coming out. Hey, bro, fuck it. I'm just gonna leave it. I didn't even mean to fuck with that, bro. Alright. Yeah. This is my last time owning a fucking foreign car, bro.
We'll see about that.
Beautiful. Alright. Made it. I gotta put Yo, what the fuck? How did it go? Oh, okay. Like these. This should go like this. I just drew them all up. What the fuck is there a bracket? You fucking with me, right?
I would like this. I would like this.
You're trying to put This is why we can't get shit done. Alright. This was supposed to be a couple hour job. Alright, YouTube, so basically we got the motor mounts in. You hit the impact, boy. So basically
This motherfucker just fucked up his back. Okay.
this will did. Like that. Alright, so Kevin got this side in. And he's working on putting back the cover right now. Let me see. See if I can see that. Let me see if I can see that, bro.
It's cool if it gets cross-threaded right.
To me, bro.
Remember, guys, you want to make sure it gets cross-threaded because that basically like
I scratched myself on the concrete.
that basically
Fuck.
when you cross-thread something, the threads like go like this, and we all know when something gets like threaded like this compared to like this. Like, look how easy that slits, but when like this, you locked in. You know what I'm saying?
For real. That's my. He just like me for real.
Nah, I think it's in there too.
Yeah, so he's basically, you know, basically done with the left side. Putting in those last bolts right now. Alright, YouTube, so basically we got all the bolts mounted on. Yeah, we got this one, we got this one, and we got that middle one. So the motor mounts are basically all changed.
I remember where it goes on.
Where?
That one thing that I was like, oh, I'm gonna disconnect.
Oh yeah. But basically motor mount is changed. So now we gotta put all these pieces back together. And yeah, these were the old ones. This was the driver's side, bro. Damn. These are all worn out. But the new ones are in. New ones are in now. Big shout out to Kevin. You know what I mean? He really pulled through. He clutched that up, I'm not gonna lie. Couldn't have done this without Kevin. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once. Why are you laughing, bro? Hey, bro, look at, bro, we got the same belt on. No weird shit. Look at this. Look at mine.
We like that.
Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. But damn, that's my twin for real. I like that. But yeah.
Ratchet real quick?
Come on, bro. Trying to do the outro. I like that.
We're not even done. You doing the outro? Look at here. Pass me the ratchet.
Oh shit, my bad.
The ratchet. I didn't.
Oh.
Oh my god. That's... Bruh, passing me the pliers. Oh my god. Man, put the camera down.
Bro, this is what it has been like for like the past day now, hanging out with Kevin, bro. We just been laughing all day, bro.
Getting no type of work done.
I know, bro, but alright, I'm gonna catch y'all once the Audi is put back together, and then yeah, we'll see what happens from there.
I think I low-key need to buy some new tires soon, cause it's treading. Damn. It's gonna suck. I gotta spend like $1,000 on new tires, bro. Damn. It is what it is, though. I hate these foreign cars because you gotta put the lug nut in by yourself. Like, you can't just put the tire on and let the, what is it? The lug nuts on there. You know, like for American cars, like they already have the studs sticking out. On foreign cars, they don't got that. So it's always a pain. And then I only gotta put on the skid plate, and that's gonna be it. And then I'm gonna go take it for a test spin. I will bring y'all with me to see if I hear anything. Hopefully not, but yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we're on that test spin.
Alright, YouTube, so it's finally time to take the Audi for a ride, test drive, you know. I got the wheels back on. Ah, damn, I was gonna put air in my tires, but I guess not. But yeah, you know, the Audi's put back together, and we're gonna have to go take it for a test spin right now, just to see if I don't get no codes. Hopefully I don't get no codes. Let's test it out. Hold on. Please, no codes. I gotta reverse just so my car can like set. No way, my car's vibrating hella. Oh no, hold on. It's vibrating way more than usual. Might have been these motor mounts, bro. I don't like this. I do not like this one bit. I don't like this. Bro, it's vibrating way more than it should. Like, hold on. you see my phone? I don't know. But hold on. We're gonna keep going. Hopefully they get settled down. Cause it's gonna be vibrating hella. This is not good. Yeah, but it like vibrates hella. It doesn't vibrate when I'm like driving, but it vibrates only when I'm at a stop. It's kind of annoying. Like, hopefully y'all can see how much it vibrates now because of my drink. Hold on, let it focus. My drink is like moving. So I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna pop the hood and see if the engine actually moves. So right now I'm gonna pop the engine, and then I'm gonna see if the engine lifts up. And if it does lift up, we got a little problem. But if it doesn't lift up, then the motor mounts are doing what they're doing, and I'm just gonna have to deal with this turbulence, face ass. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna look at the footage right now, and I'm gonna see if the engine moved, and hopefully they didn't, but y'all will see. And yeah, so but yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Big shout out to my homie Kevin. He really clutched it up on those motor mounts. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And other than that, it's been your boy E-Tex or Angel, and we out. Deuces.